I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you find an unauthorized charge on your PNC account, disputing it can be straightforward if you follow these steps. Step 1. Review your transactions. Check your recent transactions in the PNC mobile app or online banking. Make sure the charge is indeed unauthorized and not a recurring payment you may have forgotten. Step 2. Gather documentation. Collect any relevant information about the charge, such as the date, amount, and merchant name. This will help support your dispute. Step 3. Contact PNC customer service. Call PNC's customer service number or use the secure messaging feature in the app to report the unauthorized charge. Provide them with the details you gathered. Step 4. Complete the dispute form. Follow the instructions provided by customer service to fill out the dispute form. This may be done online or via mail, depending on their process. Step 5. Monitor your account. Keep an eye on your account for updates regarding your dispute. PNC typically investigates within a certain time frame and will notify you of the outcome. Remember, it is important to act quickly when disputing a charge to ensure you are protected. Good luck, and I hope this helps you resolve any issues.